So just a little bit of context. I did previously have another YouTube channel, which I'm actually in the process of closing. I explained there why, but basically, in a few months' time, I will not be able to access that account anymore. So, yeah, currently I am re uploading all the videos I made over a number of years, mostly during the COVID lockdown. I'm re-uploading them here so people can still access them, and I still have a record of them. But yeah, I will be intending to make more videos now that my job situation has recently changed. And I do have a little bit more free time than I did have since I went back to work since the COVID lockdowns ended. Yeah. Anyway, please subscribe because this account currently is quite dead. Anyway, yes. I hope you have a good day, and I will be uploading some more interesting content once I've finished uploading all of the previous videos that I've made. Right, thank you, goodbye.